Hello viewer, it's a design we are going to create. Then take the other one. So let's make an addition there. Add a paint. Still we have to take it. I will make the other design. So use that one. It's a black option. We are going to generate another one to make it a symbolic gesture for the new creation. I will change the color here. Thank you for watching.